In a nation on the move, where progress runs on steel tracks and digital signals, transformation is the new destination. Across India's vast rail ecosystem, innovation is driving efficiency, safety, and sustainability at every level. The ET Rail Show awards honor this journey of excellence, recognizing organizations and leaders who are redefining railways for the future. This year, we celebrate achievements across categories that span infrastructure, technology, safety, connectivity, and operations, shaping a smarter, more secure railway network for Bharat. Each nomination underwent a meticulous evaluation process, powered by insights from industry experts and supported by our knowledge partner, YCP Actus, ensuring fairness, credibility, and transparency. A distinguished jury of transportation leaders and infrastructure pioneers assessed the entries across key pillars: innovation in design and execution, impact on passenger and freight services, commitment to safety and cybersecurity alignment with India's digital rail vision.
As a part of jury, it was very interesting to go through different infrastructure projects and initiatives taken by our infrastructure industry. I wish all the best for the award winner. Congratulations and good wishes for the team organizing and bringing us at this one platform for infrastructure industry.
I am happy to have participated as a jury member in the ETInfra Rail Awards 2025. This will create long-term value for the community and also be impactful. I wish to congratulate both the ET and the winners of the awards and look forward to lots of new innovation in the infrastructure sector.
My experience as jury member of ET Rail Infra has been both enriching and affirming. I saw the projects that were not only engineering marvel but also relevant to the operational and commercial needs of the sector. I commend Economic Times for recognizing this. I encourage all stakeholders to view this platform as a mirror for introspection and motivation for innovation.
Being part of the jury of the ETInfra Rail Awards 2025 was an enriching experience, as they are markers of transformative leadership, innovation and impact. It is also time that we encourage diversity in the leadership by encouraging women in leadership and young professionals. I congratulate all the awardees.
It has been an honor to be part of the jury for the ETInfra Rail Awards 2025. Kudos to the organizers and the participants for making this a platform of credibility. Thank you.
From high-speed advancements to hyper-efficient systems, the winners of the ET Rail Show Awards set benchmarks for the future of rail mobility. To every nominee, your contributions are laying the tracks for tomorrow's connected India. To every winner, your leadership moves the nation forward. Congratulations to the visionaries and vanguards of transformation. Welcome to the ET Rail Show Awards.